Welcome back. In this video, we are going to see about post-order traversal. Please recall what we covered in the previous videos. We have seen something called in-order traversal. We have seen something called pre-order traversal, and today we are going to see a traversal technique called post-order. So please recall what was the previous topics. What is in-order? So in-order is you have to visit the left, then you have to visit the root, then right. If it is pre-order, you have to visit the left child, then you should go to the north, then you have to visit the right side. So let us see what is the difference between the in-order, pre-order and post-order. So before that, let us see what is post-order. So post-order traversal is moving down the tree towards left until you cannot go further. That means you are going to find the leftmost node in the given tree, then you'll move to the right node, visit the node and continue. So let me make it clear. So you are going to visit the left. So left will take it as L, then you are going to visit the right. Once you are done with left and right subtree, you can visit the root for the given subtree. So we can take it as L R N, right? So let us write the recursive function. So let me repeat before we write the recursive function. So you have to traverse the left subtree. Once it is done, you have to traverse the right subtree. Once you have visited the right subtree, you can visit the root node. So please do remember the order is going to be left, then you have to visit the right. Once you are done with the left and right subtree, you can visit the root node, right? So let us see the algorithm for this. It's not much different from the previous one. You can see here. So you have taken a function name called post order, which takes a single parameter called ptr. So ptr will be a pointer to the root node. So this is going to be the root node. So let us take it as ptr. So ptr gets address of the root node. Next statement, if ptr, what does it mean? If the tree is not a null tree, that means there is a tree which exists. If tree is existing, you can traverse. So first thing is you have to visit the left child. For 1, you have to find the left child, which is going to be 2. Again for 2, you have to find the left child. So you have to do it. Then once it is done, you have to visit ptr right child. Once you are done with the left child, then go to the right child. Once it is done, you have to do with the. So please do remember, visit the left, then visit the right, then visit the root. So when you do this, you are going to get the order as 4. Then you have to visit the 5. Once it is done, you have to visit the root, which is going to be 2. Then you have to visit 3 before you visit the root node. Then 1. So the order is going to be 4, 5, 2, 3, and 1. So if you take the other diagram, so which is going to be, you have to visit 4 first, then you have to visit. Let us see the different techniques for this. One is in order. If you visit the given tree in order, in order is, let me repeat, it's going to be left, then root, then right. So the left 4, this is going to be 4. Then you have to visit the root, which is going to be 2. Then you have to visit the 5, then 1, then 3. So if you visit the given tree in order, the order is going to be 4, 2, 5, 1, 3. If you visit the same tree in pre-order, the order is going to be 1. You have to visit the root. Then you have to visit the left, which is going to be 2. Again left 4. Then right 5. then you have to visit again, right? 3. So the order is going to be 1 2 4 5 3. Please make a note of the difference. If it is in order, what's the difference? If it is pre-order, what's the thing? And the last one is going to be the post order. The post order is going to be you have to visit the left, then right, then root. So when I follow this, I'll be getting 4, then 5, then 2. Before I visit the root, I have to visit 3, then 1. So the order is going to be 4, 5, 2, 3, 1. So let us take another example where you can find a tree with 9 nodes. So in order is going to be L, N, R. So visit the left, which is 9. Then you have to visit the root, which is 7. Then you have to visit 4, then 2, then 5, then 1, then 3, then 6, 8. If it is pre-order, before you visit left or right, you have to visit the root node. So you'll be getting it as root first, which is 1, then left 2, then 4, then 7, then 9, then 5. Once it is done, you can go visit the right, which is going to be 3, 6, and 8. And the last one is the pre-order. So if I take the pre-order, you're going to get the order as you have to start with left 9, then 7, then 4, then 2, then 9, 7, 4, 5. Before I visit 2, I have to visit 5, then 2. Then I can come down to the right subtree where you can find 8, then 6, then you have to visit 3, and so the order is going to be 9, 7, 4, 5, then 8, 6, 3. Finally, you have to visit the root. So please do make a note of the different techniques and what are the orders we are going to get for this.